Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Salesforce to Excel using EasyMorph. If you are not familiar, Salesforce is a CRM, a tool companies use to manage their customers, contacts, and deals, and so on. So today we are going to pull contact data from Salesforce and filter it using a parameter and then export everything into Excel, all without writing any code. So let's get started. So to get EasyMorph, you need to go to the easymorph.com and click enter. It opens their website, and at the top, hover over download and click on download EasyMorph. And if you scroll down a bit, you will see the download button. Just click the download button and it will install in a couple of minutes. So I already have it installed on my computer, so let's open it. So this is EasyMorph. I'm starting with a clean workspace so it's easy to follow. So first let's connect Salesforce. For that you need to click on add or edit connectors and it will open the connector manager. This is where EasyMorph manages all data connections. Now I will click on new connector and select Salesforce and I will give it a name Salesforce connection and now I will click authorize. This opens a Salesforce login page. I already entered my username and password. I will click login and that's it. Connection is authorized and this is a one-time setup. You do this once and it works forever and I will click OK and close this window and now Salesforce is successfully connected. Next I will click on new blank project. Now let's bring in data from Salesforce. For that, I will add an action called import from Salesforce and and I will select the connector I added recently and select the mode as no code. So everything is visual, no queries needed. And now I will select the object. I will choose contact and click OK. And next I will open the field selector. For that you need to click on add fields and select the object contact and it will show all the available fields with checkboxes. So I will choose the fields I need. So I'm going to select first name, last name, email, department, phone, title, and that's it. Just select that six fields and close it. And that's it. No queries, no code, just check boxes. Now I will click on apply and there we go. All Salesforce contact data is loaded and that took just a few seconds. Now let's filter this data using a parameter. So for that, I will add an action called filter by condition. So I will select the column department and equals to. So now instead of typing the department name, I will use a parameter. So for that, we need to go into manage parameters and then click on add parameters and select the text or number, and I'm going to name it as department, and I will set the value to finance and click OK. Now I will use this parameter in my filter by condition. So what I do is I will select the column department is equal to parameter department and click OK and apply, and that's it. Now we only see finance contacts. Now if I change the parameter to technology and apply it, and you can see only the technology department contacts. You can see the results updated instantly, same workflow, just different values. So now let's export this into Excel. For that, I will add an action called export into Excel file. Now I will choose my output folder and name the file name as Salesforce to Excel and click save and apply it, and right click on this export into Excel action and run action, and that's it, done. Now let me open the file, and here it is, clean Salesforce data into Excel. Everything is organized and ready to use. So that's how you connect Salesforce to Excel using EasyMorph. You can run this anytime. Just change the parameter to get updated data. And that's it. Thank you for watching.